So open hybrid framework. In the hybrid framework bottom side, you can see how to run in different ways. So one is we have run through pom.xml. Even you can run through testng.xml also. That is one way. Next way, pom.xml, we are doing that. No issues. Command prompt. How to run through command prompt. So you can run through command prompt. Just you should navigate to the project directory. So where is your project? So just navigate to the project directory. Before that, we need to download the Maven. So you need to download the Maven. Go to the Maven location. This you click on this, open this URL in the different. So tab, right click, open a new tab. So you can see that the latest one is Apache Maven. Latest version is 3.9.0. Just download this binary zip archive. So Apache Maven 3.9.0 bin. So this zip file, you download it. Okay. Download this zip file and place it in the C drive. Unzip this. Set the Maven path. Everything is here. Click the binary zip archive, Apache Maven. Then place the zip file in C drive, any folder like Apache Maven. Unzip the compressed Maven file. Go to Maven folder and go to environment variables. Click on new button. Set the environment variable name as a Maven_home and paste the value. The value is this one. So whatever the version you are downloading, that version you write under system variables. Select the path variable, click on edit, click on new button in open window, add this path. So then click on all workbooks. So like same Java home, how you are setting, same way Maven home also you need to set it. So that is what we need to do. So download it quickly. So share, anyone you share, I will help you out because I already set it. So if you want, I'll help you out. You share your screen. So I can help you how to download, how to set that path, everything. Nobody wants?
I will do.
Okay. So come down. So that's the second one, binary zip archive. Yeah, that one, download it. So place that in the, once the download is, go to the folder location, downloads, go to the downloads and yeah, wait, still it is downloading. So once it is completed, you will get a clear, the folder name, the zip file name, basically. No, not downloaded it. It's still going on. So one step, go back and come back again. Maybe it has. You can see now. Yeah, that's it, done. You can see. Cut that, cut it. Cut, scissor, yeah. Go to C drive. Go to C drive. Create a folder, Maven. Here itself, we create a folder. In the same C drive, yeah, here itself, create a folder. New folder. Give Maven, just give Maven. Yeah. So go inside. So unzip this. Paste it first. Paste it. Control V. Right click. Unzip it. extract all, yeah, extract. Okay, so close this window and go to that, close this window, go to the top folder. Yeah, that folder inside you go. One more step. Yes, copy that path, top path. The top one. Yeah, go to, yeah, entire thing you copy. You copied, right?
Yes, sir. Copied.
Okay. Now go to the environment variable, search environment variable, system variables or edit system environment variable. Search there. Edit system environment variables. System, yeah, click on that. See, it opened already. The bottom status bar, you can see computer icon. Status bar, last. No, not there one. So wherever all icon, Docker is there, doc, bottom side, all icons are there, right? Your Eclipse. So before that, just before that, computer icon is there. Just before that, towards left side. Towards left side.
Oh, this one.
That is the one. Yeah, this is the one. Click on environment variables. So now you create a new button, click on new button under system variables. Yeah, give Maven underscore home all capital letters. Underscore home. And value, variable value, paste it, whatever you copied. Yeah, okay. Then select the path variable. There is a path variable there only. Just not, that is the one. That is the one. Select it. Okay, then edit. Click on edit. So click on new and write percentile Maven underscore home. In between percentile, you write Maven underscore home. How you have given the variable name, same name you give. Maven underscore home percentile backward slash bin, all lowercase. Same Java, how you said, same way. bin. That's it. Press enter key. Okay. Click all OKs. All OKs. Every screen, click OK, OK, OK. 3 OKs will be there. Yeah. You're done. Okay. So that's it, how to set the Maven in your local machine. So once you set it, now you go to the location of, so where is your project? So go to the location of the project. So I'll go how to go to the project location. This is my project. Right click on the project, properties. So click on this, it will navigate to directly project base. So this is the one. Go inside this. Okay. Just open this. Okay, open this in the command prompt. See, entire project is open in the command prompt. Just type CMD on the top. Just type CMD on the top in the path. So that path will open here in the command prompt. That's a shortcut. Otherwise, you have to go to the next level, folder by folder. That you don't need to do that. So directly type here, select the path and type CMD. So the command prompt will open to you. So this is the command prompt. Windows command prompt. Here just you give. So basically what is this? My project path. I navigated to project path. That's the first step. Then I'm giving a command mvn clean install. That's it. So entire my test cases will start running. mvn clean install.
Can you show like once you click that command prompt from that open
You need to
cart
press enter key. You need to press enter key. So type the path. In the path you select, then type CMD.
in the path, right? CMD if we
In the
select.
path you have to type CMD.
Okay.
In the path you have to type CMD. Select the path. Then when you select it, it will go right. Then CMD you type. Then command prompt will open with that path. That is the shortcut. See, I don't need to go to Eclipse. I don't need to launch my Eclipse. I can run from command prompt also.
So we will give mvn clean install.
That's it. The project path, then command mvn clean install. That's some Maven commands. mvn clean package also if you want to clean the entire package. So a lot of things you can do. Okay, so this is the one way to run your program. Another way. So we have run through pom.xml. So we are running in the command prompt through Maven commands. You're giving the Maven commands. So how to go to the project directory, open the project directory in the command prompt, then give the command mvn clean install. So then one more next step is, this is the one way, right? Running the command prompt. There is one more option. You can run through batch file. You can create a batch file, .bat file. Okay, so basically, I want to create a file with a .batch. So .bat is the batch file. You can create a batch file and give the batch file inside. Batch file is nothing but a .bat extension will be there. That bat file inside, first cd to project directory location. Then next line, give your Maven command, mvn clean install. So all these are explained very clearly in our blog. If you go here, see that, create a batch file. So .bat, file name can be anything. The extension should be .bat. So under project location, include below 2 lines. First cd. So okay. So you have to save this file under project location, root directory. So you give the project directory, then cd to this directory I'm giving, project directory basically, and mvn clean install. These are the 2 lines of code you will include in the bat file. Then save the file as a run.bat file. Then double click on that bat file, test will be triggered. So no need to go to Eclipse to trigger the test cases. So these are the 2 cases you can run from your local directory itself. That's the second way to run the batch file. So I'm going to open my command prompt, basically bash file. So git Git bash file I'll open. I'll create a branch. Yesterday we have our Git branch, right? There we already pushed the code. So now I'll create a branch because I'm creating a new batch file. That file also I have to push it. So to my branch, how can I push? How can you create a branch? So out of the master branch, that I'll show you today also, working with a Git commands. Anytime you are working on the new automation test scripts or modifying the existing test scripts, you always pull the latest code. Pull the latest code from the master. So how to pull the latest code, I'll show you. That command git pull. Yesterday we used the git push. We are pushing the code from local machine to remote repository. That's what we have seen yesterday. All git add, git commit to, git clone also I have shown you how to clone the code to your local machines. I have shown you everything. And also git log to see the what are the commits you have done on this branch. And so these are all the so many git commits we have seen, how to create the branch, how to check out and create the branch. Create a branch and check out to that branch. Check out to that branch means when you're entering into that branch, you're switching to that branch. So how can you switch to one branch to other branch? Which command we have to use?
Checkout.
Git checkout. Git checkout, branch name you give, automatically it will switch to that branch. All these commands are very, very important. In the interviews they will ask. So, and if there are conflicts comes, how can you resolve? So same file is modified by two resources. Vandana modified, I also modified. First Vandana pushed the code to the main or master branch. I also modified. Now I updated master branch with my branch. Already file is same file modified. I also modified the same file. Then it will throw conflict. It will throw conflict. Then how can we resolve those conflicts? So this is the another question you will get. So see that build is success. All the test cases are passed. Yeah, I didn't go to Eclipse at all. I ran from command prompt. So this is the how we can run the test cases from command prompt itself. Okay. Now I'm closing that. So I'm done. My work is done. So I ran it successfully. So now I'll open my Git bash here. Let's open Git bash. Okay. Everyone open a Git bash. So right click. Show more options. Git bash here. So in the project location, I'm opening the Git bash. So what will happen already? We are in the main branch. You can see which branch. If you want to know which branch you are, Git branch. See, it is saying you are in the main branch. So I'll create my own branch. So Git checkout. How to create a branch? Git checkout -b. I'm giving my branch name feature card batch file. So feature open card batch file. I'm creating a batch file. That's why I'm giving that branch name. See, it is switched to a new branch. It is switched to new branch. Before it was in main. How many branches you have total? If you want to know, just give git branch. See, you have a feature open card batch file, main branch, task my product test cases branch. These are the three branches you have. Currently, which branch you are? How do you know which branch you are?
That green star.
So green color and a star. This is the indication. It will tell you which branch you are. Now I'll create a file. I'll create a file. So what is my file? So I'll take this path, copy, and I'll open a notepad. Open the notepad. So open the notepad and give the CD, the project path, not this one. So I have to get a project path from here at least. So I'll get this. This is my project path. So I have to give this project path CD, that means change directory. CD means change directory to this location I'm saying. Then second line, mvn clean install. That's it. Save it. Save this in the same save as. You have to select a save as. Same location. So where is my so my project Eclipse workspace and open cart. So in this directory, I want to save it. So what is the save as a type? You select all types. All types. That's all types. First you select. Then give run batch.bat. So file name dot bat. The extension name for batch file. What is the extension for batch file? .bat. Bat. That's a batch file. So click on save. So see, it is saved. Now you can go and see. So what are the files you've modified? If you want to know, git status you do. See all these files it will show, and along with see batch file also. So this is the run batch.bat. So you want to delete all these files. If you want to delete, you can delete also. So I don't want all these files. So I'm going to delete them. So what can I do? I'll just go in the reports. So delete. So let's delete today's date is 1 and I'll delete this. So, okay, this is fine, no issue. Screenshots, I have so many screenshots. All these screenshots I'm deleting. I don't want to send these screenshots. And logs also, only logs is 1, no issues. Although reports are having so many. I'll delete all these things. See, all are cleaned up now. Now you go and see Git status again. So all these changes will be shown to you. Modified, it is showing. Deleted, deleted. So we deleted. That's why it is clearly saying deleted. Now I want to modify only this file. I want to add only this file. So how to add a file to the branch?
Git add dot.
Git add. If you use a dot, all will be added. So, or you want to add a particular file. So what is the command you have to use? Git add the file name. I want to add only this file. Then I can give this file name. Or you want to add all the files, do git add. See now git status you do. So it will be changed to that is gone. So it will be that, so change it to, it is no more. See, it is change it to green color. So you want to restore all the old files that is so deleted. You can discard the old files. Git restore, which file you want to restore, you can restore back also. You want to remove particular file, git rm file name you give, it will remove. Or git add, you want to add, you can add particular file. See, git add particular file you can add. Git restore particular file you can restore. Or git remove particular file you can remove. So you want to add all the files, then just do git add space dot. So that means what is meant by dot is in the current directory, what are all the files modified? All the files will be added to the current branch. That's a git add dot means. See, all files are added. Now I want to commit these changes. That means I want to save these changes. So then what is the command we need to use? Git commit
space
minus m
minus M.
within double quotes. So you give
Clean
what is the commit message? Added batch file and cleaned up screenshots. That's it. And see, now you do git status, nothing will be there. So it will say nothing to commit, all are committed. So working tree is clean. No changes in the current branch. That's the meaning of that. No changes in the current branch. That's why it is giving that. So how to push this code? So see that. You open your, GitHub, you open, log into GitHub. So you go to our repository. This is our repository. Hybrid framework.
No.
So you go here. This is the one, right? Open cart.
Yes.
See that. So now I have only main branch. There is no other branches. If I created a branch now here, I created a branch. If I push the code, git push, if I do, this branch name will appear under here, along with the main. So now it's showing only one branch, right? If you want to see other branch, you have to push. So how to push this? Just do git push
Branch name.
origin, the
Origin.
branch name. So branch name is FEA TURE feature hyphen
Open
cart.
hyphen test case.
No, batch file. The branch name is a batch file.
Oh, okay, batch
Batch
file.
file. See, the code is, it is clearly saying, see, can you see here? Feature open cart batch file had recent pushes less than a minute ago. See that? Compare and pull request. Compare and pull request. So that is a pull request means PR. So whenever you are raising a pull request, somebody has to review that. So for this pull request, there must be a Jenkins run before it has to identify. So you see that new branch is pushed to here. So, but this is the new branch code. You can find here also remote URL. This is the remote URL. And so if you want to see your branch, see your branch name appears here. Batch file.
Saying, sir, like if somebody pushes the code, we'll be able to see it. But when if we want to pull it, we have to request PR.
Yeah. So if you want to pull, you want to pull your code, this code you want to pull, you merge this branch, you take this branch, git merge, and this branch name, you give all this branch changes, you will get into your branch. Are you clear? This branch has a batch file. You don't have. You want that batch file. So what you need to do? You have to merge this branch into your branch. How to merge? Git merge branch name you give. All that branch code you will get into your branch. So while merging time, you will get some conflicts also. You have to resolve those conflicts. Okay? You have to resolve those conflicts. So I'll show you some of the changes, and I'll commit here in the GitHub directly, and I'll make changes for the same file here also.
What's
so then we'll see how
between pull and merges. Like pulling, we are
pulling is from the master. From this is the master, right? Master copy. From here you are pulling to your local. So I'll show you that also. Pull also. Okay. Now I want to merge these changes, right? These branch changes are not there. See in the main. This bat file is not there. Is it there?
No, it's not there.
It's not there. How to get this? Sir, I pushed right. Why it's not there? That is in this branch, not in the main. I have to push this branch to this main. I need to merge. I need to merge this branch to this main branch. So for that, you need to create a pull request. So compare and create a pull request. Just do that. So you just added. You describe. You added a batch file to run from batch file to run the automation to run the suite from batch file. So create a pull request. So it will create a request, one pull request. So do that. Create a pull request. See that? Added batch file and cleaned up screenshot. This is the message, your commit message. But see, this is the all the pull requests. You can give, for example, you want to give reviewers. See, you can add a reviewers here. You can add a reviewers. You can assign to particular person. So like this, people will be there. At least 2 members should approve this. Then only you can merge that pull request into main. So now it is in the branch. So it's in the branch. So it is a Ramesh Entry wants to merge one commit into main from this branch. That's what it is clearly saying. See, commits, you can see files changed. You can see all this, you can find out here. So what are all the files modified? You can see. See, this is the file, right? We modified. It is showing very clearly here. So that's where you need to go under commits and the files changed. So what are the files changed? If you want to see, you go here. What are the commits you created? See, commit ID here. This is the commit ID. So every commit has a commit ID. Every commit has a commit ID. So you can make changes here. Okay. Then, so I'll go back and I will merge request. So see, you can pull request here. Can you see here? Pull request 1. So multiple people created a pull request means all people pull request will be shown. See here. Added a batch file and this is the pull request. That's a pull request header. So open this pull request and you can see, you can review. For example, you want to give some comments. So I want to give you some comments. Let's see. This is the comment, right? I want to give comments here. So on the file, I'll go to this file. I can give some comments. I can give some comments here. Right? You can give a comments. View file and edit file. If you want, you can edit, but review changes. You can review there. Here it is. Review changes. You can write a comment, or you can comment. You can approve. Whatever you want, you can do that. So looks good. So approving. Approve. Okay, submit the review. So see, the message has come here. The message will come. So that's how we will review. So then you can merge the request. Once it is approved, looks good. So approving. So once it is done, so you should get at least 2 approvals. Merge pull request. Merge. So then confirm merge. See, code is pull request successfully merged and closed. So this branch is successfully merged. Successfully merged. Now see, if you go back, go to this branch, see, Ramesh Entry merge pull request from is done. See, you will get a batch file here. See, can you see here batch file? The batch file has come. This is the master. This is the main branch. You are in the main branch. So main branch, it is already available here. So this is the how you can so raise a pull request and merge it to main branch. So the branch is merged successfully. Okay. So now you want to run. Okay. So we didn't see run, right? I have shown you how to create a branch again, how to do that, right? How to create a branch I have shown you. But how to run this? See, just double click on that. Just double click. So automatically command prompt will open. Then Maven clean install will execute all those things. So that is keep running. Okay, let it run. So let's go and do the remaining thing. I want to show you pull, right? Git pull. I want to show you what is meant by git pull. Let me make changes here. Okay, I'll make changes in the here in this area. So I'll go here. I'll go to open cart. So test cases. Any one file, I'll make some changes. Okay, I'll make some changes. I'm watching. So edit. Okay, I'm editing the file. So I'm editing and I'll make some changes here. So simply I'll write some comments. Okay, I'll do some comments here. Log.info. So I'll write first logging into the OpenCart website. So this change you don't have in your local machine, right? Do you have this change? You can see.
No.
So
No.
you don't have this change. So you don't have this change. So which page we modified?
The
Product detail space test. Go to product detail space test. Say I modified here. I have modified here. I have modified here, but it's not there here. So these are the changes. I'm just showing if the changes are in the master, but those changes are not there in the local, in your branch. Then how to do that? How to do that? So let me save this. So I'll just give some comments. Added appropriate loggers. That's my message I'm giving. This is my commit message. I'm giving a commit message. So commit. So you can say you can create a new branch, or I can directly commit. Commit directly to the main branch. So I'm committing directly to the main branch. So this is the change, right? But this change, see, just now you modified. This change is not there in my local. So how can you bring that change? So I'll switch to git branch. You just do git branch, okay? Git branch. Now I have already in the main branch. I need to go to main branch. Go to git main branch. Git branch. Git main. So how can I pull this change into my branch? This is my branch. Now first switch to main branch. That is git checkout main. So what is that? The files.
Need to commit first before switching.
Git status. What is the changes? I'm just, oh, we ran it, right? Okay, we ran it, right? That's why files are generated. Files are generated. So I have to commit it. So I have to commit it. Git
commit.
Add. So I'll git add. So do git add. Okay. Then git commit. First you have to do git add. Without adding, you cannot commit to. So because these new files are added, that's why git commit -m new suit run. So I have added, okay. This one, it's still running, that is generating, okay. Then now you switch. After committing, you can switch. Git status. No changes added to commit. So you can git checkout. You do git checkout main. Make sure this file is available. Well, log automation log is showing. Let me add that automation log file. Otherwise, Please commit your changes. It is saying, let me add git add. So because it is running, right? The logs are adding, keep on adding. That's why it is. So we have to stop that. So we'll stop it. So I'll stop this. Otherwise, all these logs are adding to that. That's why changes are showing, right? That's the reason. So I'll stop this. Okay, I'll stop in between. I don't want it. So because we want scenarios, we have less time. Okay, let me stop it. Control C. Do the Control C. Automatically stops. Okay. So Control C you do, it will stop. Now, let's add one more time. Git add. Okay. So now git commit. Git commit. So one file changed, that is added now. So you do git checkout. Git checkout main. See, the following untracked working tree files will be overridden by checkout. Please move or remove them before you switch branches. So it is asking make changes. Git add, I will do. Git commit. So always, otherwise it won't allow you to switch if you are not committing them. So nothing to commit. You should see this message. Then it will allow. Git checkout main branch. See, now it is moved to see. Till now, if it is not clean, it's not. It was not allowing. Now I switch it from this branch to main branch. So I need to pull these changes into my branch. How to first you do git pull. I'm pulling main branch changes. Just do git pull. So all the changes are pulled. Okay, these are all the changes are there, and I pulled it. All the changes. See, it is showing that what are the changes happened. All are showing it very clearly. Now you check out your branch. Go to your branch now. Git branch. So if you don't know what are the branches, you want to get it. Git branch you do, it will list out all the branches. Then git checkout. So you give the branch name FATURE hyphen open cart hyphen BatchFile. So now you switch it to your branch. Now do git pull origin main. So that means you are pulling the main changes into this branch. That's a git pull origin means. See? So you got something. Please read this carefully. Merge branch main of this one into your feature branch. Please enter a commit message to explain that. So this is the VI file. So you have to edit. If you want to edit, press I. So it will go to insert mode. Then you add your message. So if you add the message, then it will commit message basically. Pulling main changes into my branch. So then after entering your message, press escape key to move to read mode. Now you are in the insert mode. So how to enter into insert mode? Once press I. And to move out from the insert mode to read mode, view mode, press escape key. Then you need to save this message. First colon, colon you press WQ. That means write and quit, I'm saying. W for write this message, and Q for quit. Then press enter key. So that will quit. Merging. It merged. Now you can go and see your latest changes also here. So now you can go and see it is refreshing. Now you see the change. You can see the change. See, this is the change. So this is how to pull the remote changes into your local branches. Are you clear? So this is the one very important concept. Regularly we'll use these commands. Git pull, git add, git commit to, git checkout to, git status. So these are all regularly used commands. Okay. And if you want to make changes, so one more, for example, I want to add a few more changes. So I'm changing. These changes are not there. And you can add here also. That's it. So like this, you can add so many, so many loggers you can add. Okay, so these are the changes I added. Again, go and do git status. See, only this file will show for you. See, only these files are modified. So these files you add it. Okay, these files you add it. So I'll do git add dot. So all those files will do git status. So it will show. One is a .java file, another one is a, what is this .class file? What is .class file? What is .class file? What is .java file?
Generated.
So git push origin. So feature hyphen open cart batch file. So this code here I'm pushing to remote repository. Now all this will go and you can see the latest commit here. See, your main branch isn't protected. Okay, that is okay. So you want to see your branch, this branch. So why it's not, what are the commit? Your commit will show here. It should show. See, this is the commit 11 minutes ago. But why this is not showing? You can see here, this branch. See, your branch is 5 commits ahead of main. So 5 commits are there. You have to, so raise a pull request. How to raise a pull request? Pull request. Click on pull request, new pull request, and you are saying, so this one. So create a pull request. Create the pull request and merge the pull request, confirm merge. All these changes will be coming there also. So this is the merged. So you can go and see the main branch. So in the main branch, you can go and see the latest changes. Added logger. See, this is the message. Add logger to the file 1 minute ago. So you can see all the loggers here. Test cases, product detail space. Only that file we modified. See, that's why. See loggers. This is the loggers I added. So loggers I added. Let's show you. So this is how you can track the changes. See, only this file modified. All these are yesterday's changes, but this one is 2 minutes ago, only this file. Which file you modified, that file changes only tracked with a commit IDs. This is the commit ID. So that's all about Git and GitHub, how to run it. Now let's go and do the last one. What is Jenkins? So we have seen now version control tool, hosting server, we have seen GitHub. Hosting server is a GitHub. Version control tool is a Git. So we have seen all the Git pull, Git commit to, Git add, Git clone, all these commands very, very important. And one more I want to show you, commonly asked question. If you get the conflicts in the file, how can you resolve it? Same file I told, right? How can you resolve? This is the common interview question. So if no conflicts comes in the file, how can you resolve it? To resolve the conflicts, while committing, it will show you if there are two files have a same issues. Okay, so let's replicate this scenario, very important one. 1 minute. Let's replicate this same thing, okay? And I'll show you. This is important before going to the Jenkins. Maybe Jenkins will see you go and install the Jenkins in your local machine and come back. Follow this as it is. You follow the steps. See very clearly, step by steps are there. You download and so install and come back. So step by step I have given here. See, step by step I have given. You can follow this and you can install and come back. So that Sunday we can finish it and Monday onwards we can start the API testing. Okay. Okay. Now, so I was telling I need to replicate the scenario, right? So how can you first merge conflicts? Merge conflicts means what? So how can you see them, merge conflicts? How can you see that? So see that. So merge conflicts you will get same file, you will get like this. See, this is the arrow marks. Like this dash dash, this arrow marks, you will get this. So wherever you have this, that you need to delete them. Which line of code you need, which line of code you don't need. You open the file and then delete that. Then you add that file, then delete it. Okay. So let's go and resolve, replicate this scenario. So I want to replicate that scenario. How can you replicate it? So go and modify the same file. Okay. I will try to modify utilities. Okay. WebDriver utilities, I'll modify. Okay. Here. First, you take the edit, okay? Edit the file. So I'm cleaning up this. So I'm cleaning up all these things. Maybe I'll add some comment, okay? This comment. Utility methods. Created on top of WebDriver methods. So this is the change, okay? This is the change. I'm committing. I'm committing this change. Added a class level comment, document comment. So document comment. So just merge it, commit and merge it. So this change is merged. So now you can see this changes are available. So this change is not there in my local branch. You can see this change is not there in my local branch. See, this is my local. Is it having this class? We don't have that. So now I'll make this some changes in this file. Okay, let me make some changes in this file. So maybe I'll delete this. Okay, I'm deleting all this. Okay, this one. Let me delete some other. So maybe this changes. Delete. Let's delete one. Okay, so we want a scenario to replicate it. Okay, this is the one I made a change. So some changes I made finally. Okay, this I'll write some comment here also. So this method clicks on given element and flashes also. Okay, so these changes are not there in the master, right? These changes are there in the master. These changes are there in the master or no?
No, it's not there.
So this method type the given value in the edit box and also flashes. So these are the changes. Okay, these are the changes. I observed that. Now I'll so just do that git status. Let's do the git status. So what is that? This file is showing the changes. Okay, if you want to show git diff, you do git diff this file. You give the this file and it will show what are all the changes are there. Git diff and it will list out all the what are all the changes. Okay, see, this is the one change. Okay, this space I removed and this was not there. I deleted this. This see minus means deleted. Okay, deleted. So next, see, this is the added. Green color means it's added and this is also added. So these are the changes. Okay, so we're good. Now I want to add these changes. Git add this. I have added git commit -m WebDriver utils method document comment. WebDriver utils method document comment added. This is my commit message. Okay, this is my commit message. Now I want to bring my main changes, main branch changes. How can you bring? First you need to do git checkout main, right? Git checkout main. I will go to main. First next command. What is the next command? You need to pull that changes. Git pull. See those changes has come. Now you check out to the branch. Which branch these changes you want? Git check out to your branch. Now you check out to your branch. What is our branch? Feature hyphen open cart hyphen batch file. So now I checked into my branch. Now you pull the main branch changes to here. So git pull to origin main. See, so what is happening? You got some changes. Press enter. I first to enter the so all the messages, commit messages. So pulling main branch changes. Press escape key, double click. It didn't give conflict. Why it didn't give conflict? It should give conflict. It merged already. Same place. Okay, same method we need to modify, I think. Okay. Anyway, I'll show you the next class. This merge conflicts is important. Okay. So this I'll show you. Maybe same method we have to modify. Let me see this.
Or like if the same code, if I try to change it and like 2 persons are.
Yeah, 2 persons are no. Basically, the master changes if you don't have in the same method. This method, which is the text of element. Okay, this I have added. Okay, I have added this. So let me do git add git commit -m added doc comment for get text. Okay, so I'll go and do the same thing for this get text method. So get text. Here I will add the same comment. But I'll do a different comment. Okay. Something different comment. This method fetches the element text. Given element text and stores in string variable. Okay, so this is what I have done. So same method we modified, same line we modified. Okay, now let's go and do this. So again, do the git checkout main, git pull. Okay, so one file changed. Okay, this is the WebDriver utils. Now git checkout the branch. So I'll do git checkout branch. Now you do git pull origin. Can you see here conflict? So conflict in the file. So automatic merge failed, fix the conflicts and then commit the result. Let's go and see what is the conflict. See, you got the conflict here. This is how you will get a conflicts. So how can you resolve these conflicts? They will ask. What is meant by head? What is meant by this one? This commit ID is there, right? Commit ID. This is your change. Okay, so basically head means this is your change. Okay, this is in your branch change. And this one is a master branch code. The message is the right, commit ID, this one is the right. This is the master code. Is it master code or not? This is the master code. This is the master code. You can go and see here. See, this is the master code, right? This is the master code. So the master code will be shown here. And head portion means that is your branch, current branch code is this one. Now, which change you want? Which change you want? This master change you want or master change you want?
Master changes.
If you want a master change, just remove this, all these headlines under the commit message, this one, and keep this message. Remaining things you delete it. So that this message, this commit message, I'm removing. So this is how you can solve the git conflicts. Now save it. Now you go here and do git status. See one file. Then add this file, git add. Then do git status. So that file is added. Now you do git commit -m. So resolved the merge conflicts. Resolve the. So how to answer this? How to answer this in the interview? So while committing, I will get how many files are in the merge conflict. I'll open one by one file. And I will see there is a head, arrows, head, then commit ID. So commit ID is the master branch change and head portion is a my branch change. So I'll just take a decision which change I need. So unnecessary change I will remove. Then I'll save the file and I will add the file to my branch. Then I'll commit the change into branch, then push it. Okay, so this is the answer you have to give, how to resolve merge conflicts. Mandatory interview question. This is the mandatory interview question, this one. Is it clear how to answer this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so git push, you push the code. Git push origin, so branch, you give feature hyphen open card
BatchFile.
BatchFile. See, continuously will work on this git commands only. Continuously, every day you will interact with these changes. Every day with git commands, you are making some changes. At the end of the day, you have to add, you have to commit. That's the best practices. Tomorrow you are not coming to the office. If you committed, somebody can take that code and they can start working from there. You got my point?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, I made a mistake. So see, this branch is moved. Then once you moved your branch to there, what you need to do? Create a pull request first, PR. You have to tell these points also. Create a pull request. Create a pull request. New pull request. So and you give the, so from this branch to main you want to push, create a pull request. Added doc comments in WebDriver utils.java file. Create a pull request. So then they will review what are the pull requests you made. So merge, confirm merge. But they will review. So you cannot immediately will pull it. Okay. This is a merge. So then you go to see how many happened, how many commits happened, you can see. Pull request 3, pull request 2, pull request 1. 3 PRs merged to the main branch. Clear? Regularly you will work on this process only. Daily same commands you will repeat. Okay. So enough. I have repeated the same process. I think